Hi everyone, today we were working on those upper back muscles and those lower abdominal muscles. Hi, I'm Alyssa and I work with Hershey Family Chiropractic. For this exercise, we are doing advanced bird dogs. Now these may look familiar if you watched Core Phase 1. This is the advanced modified version of that exercise. So we're gonna go down onto those hands and knees again. Hands right underneath the shoulders, knees right underneath the hips. You're gonna start by extending that hand out and that leg. Now instead of holding like we did for Phase 1, you're going to bring that elbow to that knee and to try to touch underneath that belly button, extend them all the way out. And we're gonna continue this movement for 10 reps before we extend onto the other side. For this exercise, we're gonna be doing mid-back foam rolling. So to start this, you're gonna go down on the floor, feet flat on the floor, knees bent, and this foam roller behind me is gonna go right underneath those scapulas. Arms come straight up in front of you. You're gonna lift your butt off the ground, pull that butt towards the feet to get the foam roller all the way up to the shoulders. Extend the hands back and try to touch the floor, back in front of you, and then we're pushing that butt away from those heels and rocking back to get it all the way down to our waistband. Going back up with the arms, touch the floor, and all the way back down. Now for this exercise, down and up counts as 1 rep, and we are doing 10 of those reps to strengthen our core muscles. For this next exercise, we are doing a standing row. So you're gonna get a TheraBand. You want to start at about chest height. Thumbs are gonna go in first, point up towards the ceiling. Nice stance back so your arms are nice and straight to start. You're gonna pull that band to your chest, hold it there for a few seconds, and then come back. We're gonna continue to do this while those shoulder blades are pulling back, almost like you're holding a pencil between those shoulder blades, keeping those shoulders nice and down the whole time. If you notice your shoulders do start to creep up, you may be at too high of a TheraBand and we need to go down in intensity. We're gonna do this exercise 10 times for 2 sets. Thank you for following along for Posture Phase 2. These exercises should be performed 2 to 3 times a week, and daytime is up to you. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the subscribe button. And if you are interested in any of the products that we use today, they can be found on our website or linked in the description below.